for plugging holes. So, installing pistons. Not really the funnest thing in the world to do, um, and can get kind of sketchy. So I use the old school. Is efficient enough to use, but it's not great. So it's like good enough, you know. That's the way everything else on this is. So might as well roll with it. I've used Permatech. I've used this. Um, I like this a little bit more. The Permatech is real tacky, but it sticks to everything. So I've already clocked all my rings, right? That's indication for the front of the piston. It also tells you right there, front. So it's really hard to screw this part up. Just take some paying attention. I go ahead. Once I get this all together, I'll put a little lube on it. I've offset my oil rings top. Another, not even 150. So this is the tricky part. Getting this over the piston without moving your rings. So